The golden 12. Let's see what, oh! Oh. So exactly 1 year ago, I made a video about my smart apartment for Switchbot, and that video actually got over 100,000 views. So thank you so much for that. And as a thank you, Switchbot actually sent me a surprise Christmas package that is right here, and I'm so excited to open it up. But I think I forgot something. Merry Christmas. All right, let's open this one up. Oh wait, maybe the lights are a bit distracting. I'll turn them off. So let's open it up. Oh, that's heavy. Why do I always do that? Wow. Let's see what's inside the note. It's handwritten as well. Are you kidding me? Thank you so much, Switchbot, for sending me this handwritten letter. I really appreciate it. And for you guys, if you're new on this channel, hi, my name is Felix, and this is How to Creative with everything you need to create. I'm gonna open it up and see every product, and I'm gonna decide if it's gonna stay or if I'm gonna give it away. If you want to actually get one of these products sent to your house, make sure to stick to the end of the video to know how you can actually win these products in the giveaway. And without further ado, let's get started. Let's open up the ribbon here. Oh my, they even thought of this. You actually have to open it like this. Pom pom. Whoa, that's amazing. Happy holidays from all of us here at Switchbot. Happy holidays to you too, and all of you that are watching this. All right, let's open it up, guys. Wow, look at that. That is incredible. I think we're gonna start at 1 and go all the way to 24. So let's start with the first one. Wow, that's a Switchbot contact sensor. It's for sure amazing. So let's go to the second one. Wow, this design is incredible. To us right here. A Switchbot Remote. All right, so I already have one of these, and you can actually pair them to whatever device you have in your smart home in the app, which is great. I'm actually gonna give this one away. Three. Oh, that's a big one. This is a mug? No way! They sent me a mug? That's crazy. New coffee mug, guys. That's a big one for the cappuccinos in the morning. This one is gonna stay for sure. I'm drinking lots of coffee, as you guys in the Discord might know, so I'm gonna use this one to make my nice and warm cappuccinos in the morning. You know, to get the juices going, the creative juices. All right, so now a golden one for what is inside it, the Switchbot Hub Mini. Well, I already have this one under my desk, if you might remember, so I'm gonna give this one away for you guys so you can actually hook up your own products. All right, let's move on to 5. Is this thing a bit awkward? I don't know. Another big one here. Ooh, what is this? No way. The rod 2. So this is the next version of the rod. And actually, I didn't tell you, but actually in the email, Switchbot told me that some of these products are not on the market yet. So it might be that some are exclusive or unique. Wow, I'm so humbled actually to receive these new prototypes before it gets launched to the public, you know. So and you guys now get to see it too. So what is in here? Let's see. So it's a new design. I already have these going on my curtains, which I actually love, and they're great. But this looks like it's a totally new design. Wow, that looks incredible. Now I get why this box is so heavy. Number 6. Oh, that's so cute, a little pin. Let's move on to 7. Some NFC tags. I haven't tried these ones out, so I'm definitely excited for that. Number 8. Oh, the big one. That is a mouse mat. That is a mouse mat. How cool that they actually created this. Oh my goodness, look at that. 9. Switchbot Thermometer. I already have one of these, so I'm really happy if I can give this one away to someone that could use it. Another big one. Wow, the Switchbot solar panel. Oh, I wanted to get my hands on this one. So this one you can connect to your curtain rod, so it charges, so you don't have to charge it anymore because it takes, you know, sunlight from the other side of the curtain from the sun obviously. Yeah, it can keep on running. That's actually smart. That's some smart tech for you. All right, let's keep this one here. And go to number 11. Some nice stickers. All right, that's great, you guys. I just received it this morning and it's already Christmas Eve, so tonight. So actually, I haven't had time to actually open all these boxes on the right date, so I would have loved to. Let's be honest, guys. Everyone opens them all at once, or are you the person that really opens everyone every single day? Not me. When I get it, I open everything at the same time, just as we're doing right now. So let's move on to 12, the golden 12. Let's see what, oh, that's a Switchbot color bulb actually. Wow, I've wanted to try this one out. As you guys might know, I'm really a fan of the Philips Hue, but let's see how this one does. Another solar panel, that's great because I have 2 of these. And I've also have 2 curtain rods, so I can perfectly make use of that. It's so much. Oh my God, I'm getting spoiled, guys. All right, you guys are getting spoiled too, for sure. Let's open up 14. An indoor cam, guys. That's awesome. Haven't tried this one out yet. Really excited to open that one as well. Check that out. I'm not gonna open all these individual products in this video, just gonna check out what's inside of this amazing surprise Christmas package box thingy. All right, so 15. Another Switchbot. That's great. The original, the one and only Switchbot. I'm actually also gonna give this one away, so 16. Ooh, this one. No way. They've got some. Actually, these ones are great, man. Some really nice merchandise here. Gotta love those. Right, 17. That's a big box. The first big box. A cap. All right, a nice cap here. I actually never wear caps because I feel like they don't really fit my head, but you know, I'm gonna make an exception for this one. 18. Another Switchbot, guys. A white one, this case, instead of a black one. Also gonna give this away. Stay tuned. 18, 19. The big one in the middle. Ooh, Switchbot LED strip. LED strip or LED strip. I had some guy comment on my video, on the previous video, and he said it's not LED, it's LED. Which one is it? Comment below. Wait, this is already we're already at 20. Ooh, the motion sensor. Also haven't tried this one out. Really excited to try this. Why do I keep saying really excited to try it all out? You know I'm excited. Is it actually blocking a lot of light in my face, the cap? It's supposed to do that, right? Nice. 21. Wait, you guys have this? The Switchbot lock? Are you kidding me? We've been waiting. We've been wanting this. Wow, that's amazing. It's already opening up itself. It's like, open me. Guys, I'm high in energy. I haven't drunk any coffee. I still want to, but I'm really hyped for this. This one is looking really nice. 22 right here, another small package. Oh, and this one is grumpy. I'm gonna give one of these away for sure. So let's see. We've got 2 more. This one is 22, so we got 23, 24. Oh, the big ones here. Oh, let's see if we can make some room so you guys can actually see that. 23. Another Switchbot curtain, version 2. Wow, so I can actually try both of them. That's great. All right, guys. Are you ready for the big finale? It's number 24. Let's make room for this because I know this one is gonna be exclusive and I know this one is gonna be hella cool. Are you guys ready? No way. The Christmas edition, the Switchbot pen and tilt cam. That is so cool. I'm actually, wait, what is this? Is this actually 4K? It has night vision, motion tracking? No way. This is so cool, guys. If it has 4K, I'm gonna scream. Thank you so much, Switchbot. Let's close this up. What a beautiful year. Actually, it's been a rough year. Gonna put it away. Ugh. If you want to win one of these products, you can actually be subscribed, of course, place a comment below which one you would like and why. If you want to increase your odds, join our Discord. It is like around 250 members right now. We're having tons of fun. We're discussing a lot of stuff, but we're also gonna discuss some smart home tech, and I'm gonna do some giveaways there as well. So feel free to join the Discord, which is also in the description below. Again, Switchbot, thank you so much for providing me with these goodies, this amazing advent calendar, so creative, I love it. And also, to you that is watching this right now, again, thank you so much for the support. Merry Christmas. I hope to see you around next year. I have a lot of stuff planned. I'm editing on a lot of videos. I'm doing this full time right now, and I'm working on some really cool collaborations. I have some products outside the frame, but I'm not sure if I can show that yet, but stay tuned for that. And thank you so much for watching. Stay creative. See you in the next one. I know, let's open this one up to check it out real quick. I can't wait. Where's my knife? Oh, here it is. This is the coolest thing ever. See you later, lads.